Hi, today I'm going to be doing my mommy's makeup.
She's going to try to follow a Jaclyn Hill tutorial using an oldie but a goodie, the electric palette. So
I'm also going to be putting mascara and some lipstick on her and some blush.
And some blush. I already have blush on, and you can put up a little bit more if you want, okay? And at daycare they painted themselves as kitty cats yesterday, and I can't get it off. So it was a marker. Awesome. So good times. Anyways, last time I tried doing one of these following tutorial things, I could not figure out how to put the video inside my video, but it will be playing in the background, and I will link Jaclyn's video down below as well, so you can go and check it out. It is from a couple of years ago, but she's fantastic at makeup, and of course she explains everything very well. So without further ado,
today is Saturday. I put my own makeup on.
yep, today is Saturday and she put her own makeup on. Saturday she gets to play with makeup, so.
Yep.
Okay, let's do this, shall we?
Yeah.
All right, so sit back and enjoy. So we gotta start with a little bit of primer. And you want to put that on me?
Yeah.
Okay.
So like a little bit on my finger?
Yeah, so you can just put a little bit on your finger.
Okay.
And then Jaclyn's doing it as well. Squeeze. Squeeze. How about I squeeze it onto your finger?
It is so important to prime your eyes, especially before going in with a lot of color like we are about to.
All right, so then you just kind of pat it in so that you can't see it anymore. And right up to my eyebrows. You're so gentle. Perfect. Good job. Okay, so you see how she's doing it here? So she's taking the color Revolt, the silver, and then she's putting it on the inner part of her eyelid. Okay. You're so gentle.
Trying to do.
Yeah, you think that's good? You want to add some more, or you're okay? You're so
Because
sweet.
that one
Has more?
yeah.
Okay.
But
I'm not going to look at it until it's done, okay?
Yeah.
Because I want to be surprised. All right, so then what does she do? Okay, so now she goes into Jilted. So she's using a different brush, yep, and you can see she's taking it. You see where she's taking it there?
Shade, and it has a little bit of shimmer in it, and I'm going to use that same brush.
Okay, so then she puts it towards the outside. Oh, you are very gentle, honey. Thank you. You got such a tender little heart, too, don't
just
you?
a little bit more.
A little bit more? Do you like playing with makeup?
Yeah.
Yeah? What's your favorite thing to play with?
Probably mascara and lipstick.
Yeah, is that because that's the only thing I let you play with? Pretty much.
And eyeshadow.
Yes, you do like eyeshadow, don't you? Let's see what she does next.
Higher lid, inner corner.
So she's got it all over the lid now.
Make sure that I'm pushing this up my crease.
Oh.
Don't want
Okay.
to see your
Right up to that fold. Let me see where my eyelid folds.
Like that?
Yep, that's right. I can feel it.
go in with the shade Urban. This is
Okay,
such
so she takes
beautiful
that.
purple.
Yep,
I'm
purple.
going to start on the
And see how she's
corner
doing?
and start working this to inner and
Okay,
outer.
okay.
So
Okay. Oh, honey, you're doing amazing.
Just need to do a little bit more.
So do you like using the bright colors the best? Or
Yeah.
plain colors?
Like pretty much. You have some right there.
No, that's okay. That's called fallout. We'll get it later. All right. So do you think you've done... Oh, thank you. Do I have lipstick now?
Yes.
The mark. You've marked your territory. Do you think you need to do any more with the purple, or have you got it on both eyes? And
I've got it on both eyes.
You got it where you want it?
I'm covering everything
Okay.
up, but what this is doing is giving the eye I am using a pencil
Oh,
brush.
then she goes in with... Is that Gonzo or Chaos? Let's see. I think it was Chaos, the bright blue.
I'm going to blend that out again with a Sigma E.
Oh, no, I was wrong.
Then
Gonzo.
I'm going to go in with both of the shades, Gonzo and Chaos.
Okay,
I'm
pause
using
it.
a pencil brush. This
Gonzo.
Yep, Gonzo and Chaos, the dark blue.
So I'm just gonna put this right
Yeah, you can use the same brush. That's okay. When they're pretty much the same color. And you know how you can get so that it doesn't fall on my cheeks as much? Just kind of go like this. Boop. See how a lot of it fell off there?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's okay. I'll clean it up later. That's fine. Oh, sorry.
And then I just need a little bit of this.
There. You got it. Well, she's doing black eyeliner. Do you want to do eyeliner on me, or do you want to just leave that part?
Do eyeliner on you?
Let's see.
Can I have eyeliner too?
After. Okay. Black eyeliner. I'm not going to use gel, but we will use a liquid eyeliner, okay?
Okay.
So, we got to be very careful with this. Please don't poke me in the eye. And see how she makes like a little line right across where my lashes are?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready? I won't open my eye. Good job. Here we go.
Other eye. I'm not really this-handed.
That's okay, baby.
I was trying to do the best I could.
I know. We okay?
It isn't really what I expected.
You don't want to know a secret to life, honey? Winged eyeliner is never really what you expected. It kind of has a mind of its own. We can fix it later. Okay?
Okay.
Good job. You survived your first liquid eyeliner experience. High five.
Go back in with that blue shade now that you have on that liner, and you're just going to pack that on. And
I think
heat it
it's
up. You're
Gonzo.
gonna extend it so
Yeah,
it
that's
looks a little-
Gonzo.
I think she kind of dipped into the two pans together.
Yeah, she did that, so I'm gonna
Yep.
do this.
That's okay. A generous amount. There we go. And then she just put it above where that eyeliner was, just in that very outer corner, it looked like. Yeah. Good?
Yeah, good.
Awesome. So she's using this color fringe and putting it underneath the eye, whatever, eyelash line. Here, let me use this one. See how it's nice and flat?
Yeah.
That's going to help. So you're just putting it underneath where my lower lashes are. Yep. Good job. So I'm going to look up. Please don't stab me, okay? Thanks, babe.
I haven't done both.
I know. Okay, so then she goes in with a little bit of Freak,
which is that beautiful green shade in the palette, and just put that all over the inner corner.
So she puts it on the inner portion of her eyes, like underneath here.
Right there.
Probably a little bit higher, but that's okay. So that it touches where that other shade is. Perfect, thank
We
you.
ran out of brushes for this, so
That's okay, there's more.
Pencil brush. This is again the same pencil brush, just a different one. It's
no.
Here, she's calling it a pencil brush, so I'll show you what a pencil brush kind of looks like here. Step back for a sec. Where's my pencil brush? This one. This is a pencil brush. See what it says right there? Pencil brush. So she, where's my Mac Fix Plus? Where's my, there it is. She picked up the shade Revolt, that bright silver. So grab a little bit on there. And if you need to pick up more eyeshadow, you can.
Yeah, I do.
Okay, so you pick up a little bit more. That's okay, leave that on there. Is that better?
Yeah, that's better. Much better. Try not to stab you.
I do appreciate that, honey.
And I'm going to pop this all over that inner corner and wrap it around that inner part of my eye to really get an extra pop to the inner corners. This just completed the look for me. I absolutely love the way this silver looks on the inner corner. It's so fun.
And then she's on to mascara. All right.
Okay, so
I think we're done with the tutorial then. It's just the mascara.
So So mascara, 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 mascara.
That one's your favorite, right? Not that one, but the mascara is your favorite thing.
Yeah.
You've got beautiful eyelashes even without mascara. Oh god.
that
Oh, you
was
touched my nose. Just a second laughing. Okay.
That was by accident. Just gonna go to the top because I don't really know how to do the bottom, but I'll try.
I'm trusting you. I'm trying very hard to trust you.
Never done that good before.
You were very, very gentle, and you didn't put it in my eyeball, so high five.
Sometimes I put it in my eyeball by accident.
Sometimes I put it in my eyeball too by accident. All right, so blush. What blush do you want to use?
Pretty much I actually...
You know what? There's a good selection in here.
Okay.
So there's like 10 to choose from.
Ooh.
Ooh. It's the BH Cosmetics palette.
Now I'm gonna choose...
No, not an eye brush. One of these. This guy here. That'll work.
For thinking. Maybe actually this one.
So how come you chose that one? Cause why?
Because I wanted to.
Because.
Because I love it.
Okay, fair enough.
No.
Because of the wonderful things it does. Remember you when you were like hardcore obsessed with that movie?
Yeah, I still am. I never hear it.
Well, if you want to watch it, we can watch it. It's a good movie.
I'm watching the other one.
Right, Gremlins, right? Gizmo? Yeah. You know what we also have to watch one day?
What?
Labyrinth.
Oh, I've watched that one.
Did you watch Labyrinth?
Yeah.
Okay. Daddy's doing a good parenting job then, because you cannot go through childhood without watching Labyrinth. Just, it's a fact.
We had to go through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 brushes.
8 brushes.
Yes.
Okay, now we got to pick out a lipstick to go with this. So they're over in the other drawer there. So how about we switch seats now? Whichever one you want, honey.
You're not the boss of me picking.
No, I'm not the boss right now. But generally speaking, I'm the boss, right?
Yeah. So a little bit of sparkle.
All done?
Yeah.
All right, can I take a look now?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, let me find my mirror.
On you then.
Oh, my sweetheart. You're so sweet. Look at that. That silver's really pretty. You did a great job. And the lips, you did a great job. Blush is a little strong, but that's okay. Eyeliner is adorable. You did awesome. That's your first time ever doing makeup. Well, like a full using a bunch of different shadows, right?
Yeah, and
Oh, honey.
the first time doing other people, but I've done makeup before.
I love it.
I've done
Hey,
makeup before me.
Daddy, you'd better come in here and see. Your daughter's talented.
Let me see what you've done. Oh, that's beautiful.
Now I need some eyeliner on me.
Well, let's say our goodbyes first, and then we'll do that, okay?
Bye! Subscribe! Do a comment down below and like this video!
Bye, guys. You know what I should do? I forgot. I should show them a close-up, shouldn't I? Yeah. Okay.
We're gonna show you a close-up.
So there is Aspen Lily's very first time doing makeup on somebody
The
else.
lips and the cheeks.
There's the lips. There's the cheek. Oh, I know why this is so strong. That's where you kissed me. Okay. So there's the actual blush there. And there are my eyes. And let me tell you, there are days where my winged eyeliner looks like that too. It really, really is. So that was awesome. Did you have fun doing that?
Yeah.
Ah, that's the wrong way. Okay. Let's do the goodbye one more time, okay?
Bye!
Bye, guys.
Like
Thanks
this
for watching.
video, subscribe, and do a comment down below.
Did you have fun?
Yes.
Bye, guys.